So today I'm going to create a fox liner for hooded eyes. So when you open your eye, your fox liner is not going to hide under your skin. And for that purpose, you have to keep your eye open when you're drawing the liner. I'm using an ink pen. It's a Rimmel Wonder Ink pen. You can use any pen. And I'm start by creating a line on the outer edge of my eye. I will bring this line toward my crease skin. So that's actually the hooded area. And right now I'm not worrying about the shape or the details of the liner. I'm just keeping my eye open and making the liner that I can see with my open eye. Once I get this, I will do all the detailings and fill it up. So that's the main difference between any ordinary liner or a hooded eyeliner, that you have to create a liner with an open eye. Usually you have to close eye when you're creating other liners look. So now I will not recommend you to increase the thickness of liner, as it's a fox liner look, so it will go very thin. And even I am do all these detailings. I haven't closed my eye. You can see it's all with open eye. So extend your liner, and recommended that don't increase the thickness. I'm doing the inner edge. So from my waterline, I'm touching my waterline, okay? So from my waterline, outer strokes, very slow, very fine. That's it. And then I will create on my lower waterline. So just create a very thin line. When I created that, I will do some detailings, and that's it. This will give you a very long eye look and a fox eye look. It looks so beautiful. Now I have to connect this inner edge with my liner. And if you want to give a more foxy look, you can use these lashes at the end of your eyelid. So it will give you a more enhanced fox look. And that's the final look. You can see when I'm opening my eye, I can see my liner. And that's the most easiest way. Do create it and let me know in the comment box.